Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel, Base Code Dr. TV Ramanamurthy, PhD official, and initiative of Ramadevi Foundation, Hyderabad. We welcome you to this special lecture on digital micromanagement, presented to you by Professor Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy, PhD Management. That being, your screen is watching. Digital micromanagement is no longer a looming threat. It's here, reshaping how we work and how we feel. From constant messages to relentless tracking, we are all diving into the unsettling reality of this digital oversight, uncovering its impact on our mental health, trust, and innovation. Are we truly working or just being watched? Let's find out. If this resonates with you, hit that like button, share this video, and drop your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. The unseen shines how digital micromanagement is reshaping work and mental health. The boss no longer breathes down your neck, your screen does. And it's reshaping not just how we work, but how we feel. Point number one here, the new reality, digital micromanagement. Few key points. Key point one, relentless digital oversight. Constant messages demanding instant replies, excessive tracking of every click, keystroke, and online presence. Say, for example, an employee called Divya Bhaskar opens Telegram. A new message blinks before she can sip her coffee. Did you send the client update? What about the 9:30 a.m. agenda? Upload the slides before 9:10 a.m., please. And rename the file. Also, I will be rewiring every email from now on. It's from her manager. Her 8th message before 9:05 a.m. Point number two here, the toll on the individual, mental health crisis, the silent epidemic, mental health under digital watch. Few key points to note. Point number one, triggering high cortisol levels, stress hormone linked to anxiety, burnout, and depression. Unlike traditional micromanagement, which might occur through occasional desk visits, digital micromanagement is relentless and invisible. Key point two, omnipresent surveillance and technostress, it's called. Employees are surveilled around the clock by keystroke monitors, time tracking applications, and real-time dashboards. Boundaries leading to difficulty disconnecting and heightened risk of occupational burnout. Point number three here, the neurological impact, fear and fatigue, brain on high alert, the cost of constant monitoring. Key points. Key point one, activation of fear response. The part of the brain that handles fear and danger gets activated. This leads to a stress response, releasing cortisol, which over time impacts memory, concentration, and emotional stability. Key point 2, hypervigilance and depersonalization. Lingering sensation of being watched, even offline. Over time, this drains energy, weakens focus, and induces depersonalization, meaning that employees feel disconnected from the work they do and themselves as a means of managing excessive stress levels. Point number 4 here, the trust deficit, eroding foundations. When trust dies, productivity suffers. Key points here. Key point 1, we don't trust you. Message. Excessive monitoring sends a loud message. We don't trust you. It brings down the psychological safety, the core ingredient of high performance teams. Key point 2, survival culture and learned helplessness. Focus shifts to scene activity over actual outcomes. This can develop a survival culture wherein employees focus more on avoiding errors rather than on innovation. Point number 5 here. Innovation's graveyard. Creativity stifled. Where creativity goes to die, the cost to innovation. Key points here. Key point 1, playing it safe. As employees know every step is monitored, they will play it safe and refrain from new ideas. Anxiety about errors constrains creative thinking. Key point 2, looking busy over meaningful work. Surveillance shifts employee priorities from genuine output to simply being marked as present, encouraging individuals to prioritize looking busy rather than engaging in meaningful work. Point number 6 here, the managerial anxiety loop and business impact, a vicious circle. Few points, key points here. Key point 1, managerial stress and business losses. The desire to monitor employees minute by minute can be viewed as a sign of managerial worry. It stems from intolerance of ambiguity and fear of loss of control. Key point 2, talent drain. A 2023 Microsoft Work Trend Index revealed that a substantial, that is 41% of employees who feel excessively monitored consider leaving their jobs. Point number 7 here, the path forward, choosing trust over control, not policing them. Key points here. Key point 1, prioritize trust, not tracking. The first non-negotiable is trusting more than tracking. Key point 2, clear boundaries and outcomes. Focused key performance indicators. Allow people to disconnect guilt-free. Leaders should prioritize check-ins, not checkups, replacing surveillance with regular one-to-one conversations. Real-life examples of success. For example, Atlassian, transparent project boards, and Netflix's freedom and responsibility models. Point number 8 here, the ultimate question, empower or police? The future of work is a choice between empowerment and policing. The key point here is beyond legislation. Data privacy regulations. India's DPDP Act 2023. Europe's GDPR are forcing justification for surveillance. But the core question remains, will companies use tech to empower or police? The concluding statement, the organizations that choose trust will win talent, loyalty, and innovation in the long run. Truth is clear. Constant digital surveillance erodes trust, stifles creativity, and takes a heavy toll on our well-being. But it does not have to be this way. Choosing trust over tracking, setting clear boundaries, and focusing on outcomes are vital steps towards a healthier work culture. The future of work depends on whether we empower or police our teams. What are your thoughts? Share this video, leave a comment, and if you found this valuable, please like and share for more discussions on the future work. Thank you for watching.